Hello guys, welcome to my channel and this is the another video on the series of Cisco Packet Tracer. Now today we are going to discuss about ring topology. So what is basically ring topology? Ring topology is a type of network configuration in which each device which is we call node is connected to exactly two other devices forming a circular or ring-like structure. So what I'm trying to say here, suppose it forms a ring structure. So around it, there would be devices, something like this. This is the one device, this is second device, and this is the third device, and this is the fourth device. So these devices are connected with this. Okay, this is going to connected with this, and it forms the circular structure. So as per the definition, it is shown here, ring topology is a type of network configuration in which each device is connected to exactly two other devices. So you can say, if we talk about this device is connected with exactly two devices, and same for this. So this is the theoretical part of topology. Now we are going to discuss about how to implement ring topology in our Cisco Packet Tracer. So I am going to Cisco Packet Tracer and I will put four devices. For example, this is the PC0, this is the PC1, this is the PC2, and this is PC. So to connect these devices, I am going to use hub. So I am going to take here four hub to in connect these devices in circular form. Now we need wire. So we are going to choose it, and it is going to automatically select which wire we will use. Okay. Now connect with this, and connect with this. Now we will connect each PC with corresponding hub. The corresponding hub is this, and the corresponding hub this of PC is this, and same for this. Now, as I already told you, this is the arrangement of the devices in specific network. So this form network. So we have to assign the IP address as well. So go to desktop IP configuration. Suppose we are putting here 192.168.12. This is 2. So for this, let's put 192.168.12.3, and same for this desktop configuration 192.168.12. And this is going to be 4. And for this, it is going to be 192.168.12. This is going to be 5. So we have set up. Now we if we want to send the packets, let's send PC0 to PC2. Now you can see down below it is showing successful. So it means we have sent our packet successfully. Okay. So this was the configuration of protocol. Sorry, was the configuration of ring topology. And in upcoming video, I am going to talk about the star topology. So thanks for watching. We will meet in next.